promised you that I will help you with the difficult words also. The chapter Robinson Crusoe. In this chapter, we have seen so many difficult words. We have discussed those difficult words and their meanings during our Google Meet class also. But you need a help from my side that I create a video. You requested me to create a video of all the difficult words which we discussed in the class. No problem. Your Didi ji is keeping her promise. I promised you I will always help you if you want to learn English. It's very good that you want to learn English. Really, your Didi ji is with you in each and every step of learning English, children. And I am really very happy that few students, they are maintaining a separate copy for the difficult words and their meaning. See, I always use the word difficult before the words we are finding in any chapter, new words. I am not writing new words or just spellings. I am using the word difficult because the word which is difficult for you is the difficult word, children. The words which you found difficult during the reading or during the class is difficult for you. It's good that you are listening to your Didi ji and you are maintaining a separate copy. When you will come to school, I will see those copies at the end of the session. Believe me, if every day you are writing difficult words, you are searching the meaning from the dictionary as I taught you, everybody, every student of class 5 now, he know how to use a dictionary. This is also very good. I taught you to use dictionary. Your parents, they promised me that they will purchase a good dictionary for you and they purchased also. Thank you parents for that. You will find, believe me, at the end of the session, your brain will become a dictionary, children. Believe me. Your brain is going to work like a dictionary if every day you are writing difficult words, you are searching the meaning from the dictionary. I am very happy for you. So this video is for my brave little soldiers. Very good. Watch my video for the difficult words and their meanings of the chapter Robinson Crusoe. These are the difficult words of my brave little soldiers. Let's start today's class. So the first word is island. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Author. Author means a writer of a book, article or document. The story Robinson Crusoe is written by the author Daniel Defoe. Pleasant. Giving sense of happy, satisfaction or enjoyment. Something like this. And in the story Robinson Crusoe, in my video I use this picture for the word pleasant. Staggered, as you can see in the picture, it means walk or move unsteadily as if about to fall. Wrecked, the loss or the destruction of a ship through storm, collision, destruction or etc. Roar, move at high speed making a loud prolonged sound. Something like this. Blazing means very hot. Shore, the land along the edge of a sea, lake or other large body of water. The land along the edge of any large body of water is known as shore, and in this story Robinson is at the sea shore. Surprise, an unexpected or astonishing event, fact, and etc. This is the expression of surprise, children. If you are surprised, your faces will be like them. Amaze, it means surprised greatly, like this and this. Imagination, the faculty or action of forming new ideas or images or concepts of external objects not present to the senses. Something which is not real, and you are thinking about that, the thing which we were doing in the class, right? Every time before starting a new topic, I was telling you to close your eyes and imagine the thing. Something like this. You were thinking, then you were drawing the pictures, and you were framing sentences. I hope you remember, and you are practicing the same thing now also. If not, please practice imagination, children. If you can imagine the things properly, you will be a good English learner. Believe me. Confused, unable to think clearly, or so difficult to understand. Something like this. See, the more I think, more confused I get. So confused means unable to think clearly or so difficult to understand. Next word was frightened, children. Afraid or anxious. Something like this. Chase. Pursue in order to catch or catch up with. Something like this. I don't think this incident happened with my students during the class also. Nobody said this. The favorite activity of Tom. He just loved to chase Jerry. So chase means pursue in order to catch or catch up with. Savage, violent and uncontrolled, or a brutal person. We can say a wild person like him or him. These are the words which were difficult for you, children. We already discussed it during the Google Meet class. But as because not every student is joining the class, this video will help each and every student of class 5. Mainland, a large continuous extent of land that includes the greater part of a country or territory, as opposed to offshore islands and detached territories like this. Can you find our country? Yes, over here, and we belong to Asia. This is our country, Bharat. Inhabited means past of inhabit, which means live in or occupy. You see this picture, children. This island is occupied by the people. You can see so many houses over here. Less trees, more houses. People just occupy this island. Wander. Go from place to place without a definite route, like this or this. Bolder means more confident, something like this or this. Have you remember the poem of class 3? Don't tell. That boy, the poet, the speaker, his thinking is giant from inside. The same feeling is bolder, more confident. So this was the end of the difficult words which we discussed during the class. These difficult words came from your side, and I just shared it with you in the form of a video, children. I hope you are maintaining a separate copy for word meaning of every subject. I found few students, they are maintaining the copy very good, but rest of my students, they will also maintain one copy, one notebook for difficult words. Watch my video again and again to understand the difficult words and their meanings from the chapter Robinson Crusoe. God bless you all, my brave little soldiers. Thank you.